This breadless cauliflower stuffing is one of my favorite things to make this time of year. It does require a little bit extra love, but it's completely worth it, trust me. Pound of mushrooms, 3 celery stalks, and some shallots. Saute your veggies until they soften up. Meanwhile, start cutting up your cauliflower. Some salt, pepper, give it a nice mix and put it to the side. On to step 2. A cup of hazelnuts, tablespoon of thyme, a nice hunk of parsley, salt, and the zest and juice of 1 lemon. I'm also adding in about a 1/4 cup of olive oil. Blend it up till it's nice and chunky. Now add your veggies to your baking dish, and you're gonna lather on that hazelnut paste. Make sure you mix everything really good. You're gonna throw that in the oven at 350 degrees for about 45 minutes. After that, mix everything up. You're gonna raise the temperature to 375 and add it back in for about another 40 minutes. Make sure you mix it periodically because the hazelnuts are gonna start to caramelize and you don't want them to burn. It's so good. For some reason, I never seem to have enough. Like, I could easily probably eat this entire bowl in one sitting, but I probably should share. So send this to whoever's in charge of stuffing this year. And I got a few more Thanksgiving recipes coming out, so be ready.